Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A heat pump can heat and cool, but an air conditioner cannot, which is the primary difference between the two HVAC systems. An air conditioner is typically paired with a furnace to provide heat during the cold months. Together, an air conditioner and furnace are a complete heating and cooling system.
Let's help you make your mark.
A heat pump can provide your house with some much-needed summer relief by pushing warm inside air to the outside. HVAC experts maintain heat pumps cool a home just as effectively as a standard air conditioner, no matter what the heat index. 5 October 2016.
Take our lead.
As long as the temperature outside is about 32 degrees, a heat pump can pull heat from the outside air for less than it would cost to fire up a furnace. Once the temperature drops lower than that, which happens very frequently in North Lake, it must rely on a secondary source of heat to properly heat your home. 12 September 2017.
Take our lead.
15 years. Heat pumps normally last an average of 15 years, though some can wear out after a decade. Some of the newer units being manufactured today can last a bit longer. The factor most important in determining the lifespan of your heat pump is maintenance.
Take our lead.
Average cost, $3,875 to $10,000. A new heat pump can cost between $3,875 to $7,625 depending on the size of your home, energy efficient ratings, brand name, and the type of heat pump you install. A mini-split ductless heat pump with 4 multi-zone indoor air handler units could cost up to $10,000 to install.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.